In this video, we will see how to create a calendar chart in Tableau. For that, we are going to make use of the dimension or the date column, which is order date, and also we are going to analyze particular measures based on the calendar chart. So first thing is I am going to take the order date column to the column section, because on the column section, instead of the year, I am going to change the year section to week numbers, because on a calendar obviously we have in the column week numbers and on the row side we have weekdays. So here on the column section we want week numbers, and before dragging and dropping the weekdays to the row section, I'm going to filter the data for a particular year and for a particular month. So we'll take the year 2016 and also we'll take the month of January. Next, and we'll take the month of January. Now we have only single month, that is 2016 January data. And for this row section, I'm again using the order date column, and instead of the year, we'll change that to weekday. Now we have the visualization which look like a calendar, that is on the column we have week numbers and on the row section we have weekdays. Now we are going to analyze particular measure based on the calendar chart. So we'll analyze the total sales based on the calendar. So we'll drag and drop this sales to text section, which will give us the sum of sales as text. This will show us what is the total sales happening on each day. So on the week second, that is Sunday, we are having a total sales of $16. But in order to make the chart more appealing, we are going to change the chart a little bit. I'm going to drop this sales to color section. So what happens is the color will be changed. But instead of this chart, we are going to modify the chart to look like a heat map. So instead of this text, I'm going to modify this to a square. So now we can see that whatever sum of sales is having, the maximum value is having a darker blue color, and whichever sales is less is having a light blue color. Now it is obvious for us to understand what is actually happening within each of the weekdays and each of the particular week. Also, instead of having this weekday of order date in the tooltip section, it will be better for us to have the exact same date on the tooltip section. For that, we will take this order date and we'll put this inside the tooltip. Now we will have the order date also inside the tooltip section. Now we know that the order date is 20/1/2016, have a total sales of $2,674. Also, we can modify the chart to look a little bit better. Instead of the standard, we'll put the chart to entire view, so the chart will look more appealing. Also, we can add some text inside the box so that even without the tooltip, it will be easy for us to identify this is the total sales. In the label part, edit this label part and we'll put total sales equals sum of sales, then apply it. Now we have total sales as sum of sales in each of the particular weekday and particular week number corresponding to the 2016 January. So this is how we create a calendar chart in Tableau. Thank you.